Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? Hope you had a great week this past week as the market gave us plenty of opportunities to capitalize on. In this video, I want to talk about my analysis for GBPUSD, and I'm starting off with the weekly time frame and work my way down to the 4-hour time frame. Now, on the weekly time frame, we can see again, just like gold and Euro USD, that GBP USD has been strongly bearish as well, forming lower lows and lower highs since I would say last year June as well. And currently price has gotten to its all-time low, which is around 1.035 area. And then in the past week, we can see that price quickly pushed back to the upside with this long week here and ending up closing bullish. And again, this market could be a retracement. On the other hand, it could be the beginning of a reversal. But again, it's very difficult to say, and the advice would be to trade the trend, which currently is a downtrend. So we would be assuming that this up move that has been made is a retracement rather than the beginning of a reversal until proven otherwise. So until proven otherwise, in the sense that the trend line that we see that we can plot here across this area here, if that trend line breaks to the upside, then we'll be looking at possibility of it being a reversal. Okay. And if we go down to the daily time frame, we can see that strong bearish bullish move again, continue to the upside, and then the plan is to look for, if it is a retracement, where would price reverse from again, and that's where the we use our Fibonacci retracement tool. So from the swing high here all the way down to the swing low, and then again we try to identify our Fibonacci ratio of 61.8, and then the 50% Fibonacci ratio. Okay, so the rectangle that I've just drawn, the lower line there is the 50% Fibonacci ratio, and the upper line there is the 61.8 Fibonacci ratio. So basically what I'm expecting is for price to get into that zone and possibly give us a reversal signal from there. And if it does, then we'll be looking to take our sell trade. Also, that zone falls exactly where the previous low was when you go all the way back. So let's go back to the weekly time frame. We can see that this zone here falls where this previous low was. Okay, so it's more or less going back to test that previous low. So this was the support area in the past, the weekly support in the past that price broke through, and that price is going back to test it, which again coincides with the Fibonacci retracement ratio of 61% and 50%. So if price breaks through that, so this area all the way to the upside, okay, through this zone, then price more or less is started reversing, and then I'll expect price to continue to the upside. Okay, but if it doesn't, and then price gets into that area and gives us a sell signal from there, then we'll be looking to take our sell trade to the downside. Okay, and then we'll see how far that takes us. So again, that's generally what we're looking at. So the question would be, when do we enter? How do we enter our sell trade if we're expecting price to sell mostly? Again, I was going back to the weekly time frame, and then waiting for price to get into this area and see how price reacts to this area. So we will be shuffling between the daily and weekly time frame anytime price gets into this area. And if on the daily time frame price gives us a nice sell signal, then we'll be looking to sell. So a sell signal would be something like a bearish engulfing candle, a bearish pin bar, or an evening star candle, or a bearish inside bar. We'll be looking to trade that and then hopefully to capitalize on that move again, and that would be mostly on the daily time frame. I know this zone here is a wise zone to look into, so that's why the average of that zone would be the 1.142 area. So when price gets into close to that area there, and is giving us any sort of reversal on the daily time frame here, then we'll be looking to take our trades to the downside. Okay. On the other hand, we can wait and see if price gets all the way to this trend line here and see how price reacts to it as well. And if price breaks it, then bias will change to bullish. But if price gives us a sell signal and then comes all the way down and price closes below this zone again, right, then we'll be looking to take our entry just about there, all the way to the downside. Okay. So this is what I'm looking at. Again, just like gold, euro, USD, GBPUSD again is strongly bullish, bearish. It is forming what I assume to be a bullish retracement. I wouldn't be selling buying that retracement, and even if I buy, it will only be for a short time, which I did here in the past week, because I took this short-term trade on the sell once this triangular or flag, this bullish flag pattern was broken. I was able to take my buy trades to the once the candle broke here, I entered my buy trade there and I took my trades. I think I exited the trade somewhere around this area here. So it was just for a very short move. Because that was me trading against the trend, which I don't normally advise, but sometimes, you may want to do that. And that gave us, that was a very good trade actually. And we had almost 300 pips on that move. So I was really happy about that. But I had to exit the market very quickly on that. So again, on the daily time frame, we will wait and see how price reacts to that area before taking any trades at all. So this has been my analysis for GBP USD. I hope this video has been very helpful. If it has, kindly leave a like, and if you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe to the channel for more analysis videos. Thank you very much for watching and have a great week ahead. Peace.
I can't forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, me piercing through.